So you're thinking about buying or even building a new home. Well, you got to have some money. You might want to get a loan. That's a good thing. Well, who do you go to? Someone reliable, someone dependable. How about First Federal? Well, that's where we are today at their Ocean Springs location. We're going to talk to a couple of their loan officers and give you some great information when you get ready to buy or build your new home. Now, Teresa Tanner is the Vice President and Branch Manager here at the Ocean Springs location of First Federal, located right in front of the Super Walmart. So I'll let you know that. Thank you for having us in today.
Thank you for being here.
Tell us a little bit about First Federal, if you would.
First Federal specializes in mortgage lending. We've been doing this for almost 60 years. We also offer a USDA-backed government loan, which is very popular in our rural area. But for the most part, we do conventional home loans.
Okay, well, conventional mortgage loans. I know people out there looking to buy houses or something. Tell us about the conventional mortgage
A lot
loans.
of people don't know the difference in the different types of mortgages, but a conventional loan is a traditional loan that is not backed by the government. We do not sell that mortgage to the secondary market. We process, underwrite, and close that loan right here locally.
Now, I know that's, as you mentioned, you'll sell it to somebody secondary. That's you see these commercials on TV.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know who owns it now. And after they start out. Can you get most loans like refinance or purchase loans with conventional financing?
Yes, conventional financing is purchases, refinance, construction, and equity loans. But we also offer our customers a variety of deposit accounts, such as savings accounts, certificate deposits, and checking accounts. The most popular being our checking account, which has online banking, mobile banking, and the personalized debit cards. But mortgage loans are definitely our specialty.
Well, you talk about your online stuff. I mean, more and more people are using their phones to do their banking or stuff anymore, because I do it a lot.
Right.
And you put stuff in there, or if you're on the road a lot. You mentioned that you, as you said again, that you don't sell the loans to other people. What makes First Federal unique to most lenders in the area?
First Federal is a portfolio lender, which means we do not sell that mortgage to the secondary market, which means if you buy, purchase, or refinance that home, first you pay First Federal for the entire length of the loan with us. So that is a huge plus. Yeah.
Now, after they close the loan, you service it for the entire length
Yes,
of
we
time?
do. Yes, we do. We close it, we process it, underwrite it, and close it right here locally. So that is a big plus in making a loan go quickly.
Yeah, because the last thing a person wants to find out is, oh, why does a bank in Florida have my have my home loan right now?
I know.
Do you think that changes the way that you handle the loan?
Oh, most definitely. Yeah, most definitely. During the application process, we try to educate our buyers so there's no surprises, and I think that helps us work with our customers, and they know that we'll be there for them for the entire length of that loan.
And they feel more comfortable with that too.
Yes, definitely so.
As you said, they can rely on you. If they have to come back, they have any questions about it or anything, or I guess even if they want to refinance it, they know they don't have to go all over the place, try to find out who has it. They can come directly back to you.
Yes, definitely so. Yes.
Living in a, what we call a hurricane zone, does it make a difference when there's a hurricane or a storm?
Yes, I think people that live here on the Gulf Coast and they have experienced property damage during a hurricane know that they can come and sit down and talk to us and let us know about their property status, and that we can get their checks endorsed. And they don't have to send their checks off for instance, like California or Montana, and hope that it comes back in a timely manner.
Right, right. So when someone goes to purchase or refinance their house, what kind of options do you offer here at First Federal? I mean, do you offer any low down payment loans for home purchases or anything like that?
We do. We offer a 3% down payment loan with a monthly PMI, which is great for our first time home buyers or even people with limited funds. Some customers, they use realtors, and some for sale by owner, but either way, we can help that customer with that loan process. So our realtors know that they can come sit down, talk to us, and we can get them a pre-approval so they can go and help that customer shop around for a home. Insurance and taxes are a huge instance that we can sit down and also work with our customers and educate them so there's no surprises when they go to the closing. So there's a lot to think about when you purchase a home. So, yes.
And that's very important, especially for first-time buyers, because I mean this is a whole new thing for them, and they don't. you know, having been there before myself, and I know you have too.
Right.
But you don't want any surprises or anything like that. Do you have a first-time buyer home buyer program?
Yes, we do. We offer them a 0.5% off of their interest rate. In addition, they get $1,000 off of their closing costs.
Oh, nice.
Yes, that's great. And also, they can get up to a 30-year term with a fixed rate.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. Well, what are some of the biggest hurdles or surprises that a first-time home buyer can face?
I think insurance and taxes are definitely a issue here on the Gulf Coast, and also can be a deal breaker if the homeowner does not do their shopping and make sure that they can afford that, you know, the insurance on that property. But we also, with our customers, we give them an option to escrow their property taxes or not with the loan, and most lenders do not offer that.
And of course, you know, when it comes to insurance, is also a lot of it depends on where you are, where you're going to buy
definitely.
or build. You know, whether you're north of I-10 or south of I-10 or right on the beach.
Yes.
All right. Well, one of the things they also take care of is construction, in case you want to start from the ground up. So we're going to talk to someone about that. Teresa, thank you so much.
All right,
Teresa
thank you.
Tanner, who's the vice president and the branch manager here at the Ocean Springs location, right in front of the Super Walmart. Now, Richard Perkins is one of the loan officers with the Pascagoula branch. How you doing, Richard?
Doing good. How are you?
Very well, very well. Tell me about, you know, construction loans.
Okay. Construction loans has been First Federal's, I guess, their flagship product for decades. Here at First Federal, we actually offer two loan products. One being a traditional construction type product is short-term, interest only, and then a construction permanent product.
So what's the advantages of between the two, especially with the traditional one?
The traditional, I would have to say the biggest advantage going with the traditional construction is that it's short-term, interest-only monthly payments through the process. For customers that are having to pay rent notes or a mortgage during the construction, this really is a big plus for them. Once the permanent short-term loan is complete, then we would have that loan refinanced into their permanent mortgage.
So that's the other option is the permanent loan, the construction permanent loan?
Yeah, construction perm loan is the applicant is actually coming in and applying for their permanent financing. They receive that financing, and once they close that loan, those funds go into an escrow account at First Federal. We disperse those funds throughout the process once they are completed, either to the contractor, the subcontractor, or the borrower, whichever the loan is set up. But this is our most popular product for sure.
Now, do you have a list of builders real quick to require your borrowers to
We
use?
actually do not have a list that we provide to our customers, but we leave it up to the customer to choose their contractor, whichever best fits their situation.
Okay, and real quick, you have 6 locations?
We have 6 locations: Pascagoula, Goshen, Ocean Springs, Van Cleef, Hurley, and Moss Point.
Okay, when it comes time to buy or build a new home, you want to call First Federal here on the coast.